Hi, MyLinda Butterworth here with Alliteration Adventure 245. Today's alliteration is a little different. It comes from a comedian named George Formby Sr. And this happened during the early 20th century, 1912, 1918, when in Victorian times, if you got a cold, it could lead to pneumonia or along with the influenza, it was very deadly. And so you had to watch your coughing. And being a comedian, when he was on stage, he used to make fun of himself for coughing. And he would say, "Coughing well tonight." And he was well known for this particular piece that people still use today. It's not the coffin that carries you off. It's the coffin they carry you off in. Well, there you go. That's our piece for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Got a little historical information, too. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.